I have always loved older buildings. I think they have texture and patina and stories behind them. My name is Kathryn Rogers-Merlino. I was trained as an architect and an architectural historian. I really believe that we can take older buildings which have embodied energy, extracted materials, perfectly good and usable materials, and make them greener, make them more sustainable. Especially in Seattle, we're very ardent recyclers, yet we don't really apply that to our buildings. So the building on the cover is the Kolstrand building in Ballard. And I think what I like about this building so much is it's kind of messy, it's complicated, and it really celebrates the hardware that was once housed in here for almost a century. They thought it was one building when they first started it, then they walked through it, found out it was a series of buildings. So you really have to investigate these buildings and get to know them very, very well. One of the case studies that I talk about is the Supply Laundry building in South Lake Union. Most energy codes are sometimes kind of the nail in the coffin for existing buildings. And so with the laundry supply building, they actually were able to retain a lot of that character on the inside by using different solutions for making it very energy efficient. This is the Westside School, which was previously a church building. These forms were so intriguing, the architects felt it really was important to reuse the building. And so they created these wonderful spaces inside, these soaring kind of whole spaces with new insulation, energy efficient lighting. Another one of my favorite projects is the Fergus Miller office and studio in Bremerton, Washington. This was a previous Sears automotive shop, concrete box that really had no architectural character whatsoever, but it was located in the downtown area. And so they just essentially took this box and created this big open space that's light and bright and energy efficient. I really feel that design is the key to making these buildings better. What can we do with what is there? And looking at that from an environmental perspective, I think is the key to being sustainable.